But water, but water incoming. Oh, let's do it!
Just come, just come.
Just spray some Jesus love all over me. I don't fart. I am princess of like flowers. Unicorns coming out of my ass. Small unicorns. They say. Moaning Monday. Oh. Oh. I like it. Put some energy in me, please. I will be a computer. Don't come here. Shame on my computer skills. You just spray. Just spray it all over. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. See that? I hope this can cheer you up. You're gonna spank me any day. No. Oh, holy titty protector in the skies or on the earth, we don't know, we don't care. Just protect my titties from today and further on in my life. Please don't let them fall off because they're blue. Thank you.
Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Don't chase no bitch.
But I have been sitting on the toilet with a sink by my side, you know? Have you tried that too? And then just while I can queef. What date with you? Oh, oh, juicy. That sounds like a dead cock. That's not sexy. That's not sexy. Yes. Yes. Banana. Banana. Just like that. Yes. Massive. It's like, oh, it's so disgusting. So I'm fucking sure that I've been traumatized because of that shit. Kept me quite too much cuteness going on.